Hi friends, it's Kylie, owner of Theme Parks for Grown-Ups and Disney Travel Planner. Today I have a really fun announcement that I've been working on for a very long time. I've had this idea in the back of my mind for years now, ever since I started Theme Parks for Grown-Ups when it was originally Green Monorail Destinations, and now it's finally coming to fruition today, and I'm so excited to launch it to all of you. Side note, nothing is changing for Theme Parks for Grown-Ups. I'm still going to do Disney and Universal Studios news updates and that sort of thing. It's still all going to kind of be rolled into one thing, but I'm adding a new project that is really, really exciting that you're all going to love. So friends, may I introduce to you Magic Side Hustle, how to become a Disney travel planner. This is very exciting because I get 2 frequently asked questions every single week. The first frequently asked question is, how do I get discounted theme park tickets? The second frequently asked question is, how do I do what you do? How do I make money from home as a Disney travel planner? And so I decided that I wanted to create a mini course on how to do exactly that, because I see this question come up a lot, not only in my own life, because people are like, wow, this is the coolest job you ever had, you're making money planning people's vacations, how do I do that? But also I see this question come up a lot in like Facebook groups and on the internet, and when I started being a travel agent, there was just no information out there. There's a couple articles here and there, but there's really not a whole lot for you to go off of. And so you're just kind of like drowning, being like, wow, I really want to do this new career, I would love to do this and make money from it, but I don't know how and I don't know where to start, and nobody wants to give the information away because they don't want the competition of other travel agents. But I'm here to say that there is tons of clients out there for you to get your business started, just like I did. There are lots of travel agents, but there are also a lot of clients who are willing to use your services. 52 million people go to Disney World every single year. And so I decided, okay, why don't we build up this community a little bit? Let's bring back the travel agent thing and let's teach people how to do this. And so I'm really excited to do that for you. Now we're doing this in chunks because this is launch 1 of the whole project. And so I wrote just a short blog post, and you can find that link in my bio if you're on Instagram, or you can find it below if you're watching this on YouTube. And so that will just give you a brief overview of like all the steps you need to take to start your new job as a Disney travel agent and start making money from home. And the second part is really cool. It's a free mini course, and this is free. Like, you just have to sign up for my newsletter in order to log into it. It's not a login, it's an email challenge basically. And so every day for 5 days, you're going to get an email from me that's basically explaining step 1, here's what you do to start your business, step 2, here's what you need to do, and so on in order to become a travel agent and, like I said, make money planning people's vacations. Like, how cool is that? I'm so excited to build a community and start training people how to do this sort of thing, because it has changed my life in such a beneficial way. Like, I'm able to actually love working, which is a new concept to me. I have gone through so many jobs and I quit jobs like crazy, but this one I worked so hard because, first of all, who doesn't love Disney? And if you're watching this, you probably love Disney too. And second of all, it's a job that helps people and makes all their magical dreams come true. I know that sounds really silly and really corny, but it is kind of the coolest job ever, and like, what else would you want to do with your life, right? And so I kind of want to just spread the joy and spread the magic a little bit. And if you're thinking of doing this yourself and you've been scouring the internet, or if you're not and you're like, whoa, this is really cool, I can actually do this and actually make money from this, yes you can, and a lot of people do. And so I want to be the person that helps you through that process. And so that's why I set up this little mini course, and there's going to be lots more to come after this. I'm going to start doing more articles based on building a business as a Disney travel planner and Universal Studios travel planner, theme park travel planner in general, or just like a travel agent in general, because I've been doing this for a while now, and I would really like to share my knowledge with the rest of you. So there's going to be lots more blog posts, and I'm going to evaluate more free courses and more free templates and things to help you on your way to build your business. And then also I'm going to implement a larger course later, probably a couple months down the line, because I have to get it together first, and go from step 1 to the last step in greater detail than what I listed in the email course. So that's all to come. Very exciting. If you want to learn more about the email challenge, just click on those links and see what I have detailed there. And otherwise, thank you so much for listening. I'm very excited to hear your feedback. And if you want to know anything about this project or about the course, or just like have general questions about it, go ahead and comment somewhere. Wherever you are, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, go ahead and leave me a comment and I will definitely get back to you and answer any questions that you have. Again, super excited to be your guide on this new journey. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, thanks friends. Have a magical day and I will see you at the parks.